For TraderInsight.com, I'm Julie Mans. These are trade ideas for Thursday, August 30th. On the screen now is CB Chubb Limited. This was on our core trading plan today with an entry here at 136.12. This one went ahead and went 50% to our target and then got within 10 cents of our 135.51 target. Scooch that up right there. Before reversing, this is where we pull down our, right here 10 cents to target, that's where we pull our profit down to the 50% level. So we were out with 50%. It did try later in the day, tried to tag us in, but I used the 10 cent scratch rule on that one. So out with just a 10 cent scratch. Didn't go in our favor 10 cents, so I got out 10 cents later. This is how I like to do these second entries a lot of times because you're never quite sure if they want to develop, but you don't want to miss them if they go. I'm looking at this for tomorrow, and you can see that it's really not in the bottom of the bar where I'd like to see it for a short, but it does have an interesting level right here where I might be interested in going short if we pull back a little and head down below this 136.20-ish level. JBL was also on our plan for today, but it really didn't do much. You can see a total sideways day for JBL. Also did not trigger us in. So I'm looking here on the daily. This could really go either way. I'm going to look to today's trend market direction to see if this looks like it might want to travel a little bit higher, at least up to the levels from today. So if it pulls back and pushes up, I'm going to look for that at some pivot levels. Also, if it decides to open at this level and head lower and I have some pivot confirmation, I'm going to look for that also. Finally, I'm just going to leave you with one discretionary trade that was on our screen today. We did not call this in the room because it happened after our normal Baltimore chop time. This is the kind of thing, though, if you go to our boot camp and are part of our mastermind group, you can always look for. This was on the earnings this morning, and it came in as a gap, went lower, traded in a beautiful Baltimore chop formation. I had it up on my screen looking for this entry price, and it traveled through there, had a little bit of a consolidation. Our target is right up here at the open. It actually went up, made that price. This is your exit area, and it was good for, gosh, at least 70 cents potentially. So that was a nice bonus trade today if you kept your eyes open, and that, of course, is what we teach you to do in boot camp, teaching you to trade for yourself. We have one coming up. It is November 4th through the 7th. If you're interested, give me an email, julie@traderinsight.com.